I would like to share with you what is at G Mall. So at G Mall means Atomy Global Mall. So since not all the products that are available in Korea are not yet available here in Europe, we could actually purchase these products from Atomy Global Mall. However, these products are only shipped to selected countries like what I will show you now. So if you are or if you have a customer from these areas, from these specific countries, Australia, Azerbaijan, Cambodia, Canada, France, New Zealand, Philippines, and in Europe, at Gmall is available in Italy, in Switzerland, in Portugal, and we are also available in United Kingdom. So let's say I will go to ship to Portugal. So if ever I have some customer or if I know someone that I really would love to give him or her a gift, then I will choose Portugal. I will choose a ship from South Korea, and I can actually choose the currency. So since we are in Europe, I believe euro is also available. Yes, euro for European Union. If I click confirm, I will be able to see the products that are available to be shipped in Portugal. So basically, the products that we see now, these are the products that are not, some of the products are not yet available in Europe. However, they are available from at Gmail and they are deliverable to a certain country that we can choose. And of course, when you click on the product, so say for example, the Aqua Cream. So Aqua Cream costs 4,800 Korean won, and in euros, if we convert it, this is 8 euros. But of course, if you ship it to Portugal, you will have to pay the necessary shipping cost from Korea to Portugal. So, but it's very minimal. And in here, if you click the product, you will be able to see what are the benefits of this product, what are the ingredients of this product, how to use these products, and what is the technology behind these amazing products. So if you cannot find the product that you desire on our Atomy Europe website, please be sure to check out our Atomy Global Mall. Most probably, you will be able to see the products that you are looking for. So, yes, after sharing the information about the Atomy Global Mall, now I would like to talk about the GSGS products. GSGS means it is Global Sourcing Global Sales. So this is one of the strategies of Atomy. Why are we, delivering the best quality products possible? By the way, if those on Facebook, if you do not have an Atomy account yet and you would like to try our products, in every slide you will see a QR code. If you scan this QR code, you will be able to make your own account. If it asks you for a sponsor ID, please do not hesitate to send us a message and we will provide you with sponsor ID. All right. So as I've said, GSGS stands for Global Sourcing Global Sales, and it is the foundation of Atomy's business model. Instead of manufacturing everything locally or focusing on branding alone, Atomy searches worldwide for the best manufacturers, technologies, and research institutes in each product category. These partners already produce for premium global brands, which means that the quality is proven before the product even reaches Atomy. Once the best source is selected, Atomy distributes the product globally using a standardized system that ensures the same quality and price in, of course, every country. This is how Atomy can consistently deliver products that match or exceed premium brands while still remaining affordable. Remember, we have the philosophy absolute quality, absolute price. So, meaning to say, Atomy has the best quality and yet affordable price so people can avail or purchase our products and try premium quality for you and your family. Atomy does not compete by spending heavily on advertising or luxury packaging. Instead, it invests in product quality and, of course, consumer value. Because of this, customers don't just try Atomy products, they repurchase them, which is the real strength behind Atomy's global growth. So if you are not yet a consumer of Atomy, I believe this is the perfect opportunity for you to try our products because you are really going to love our products. Atomy GSG's product stands out because they are, of course, research driven, not trend driven. Every product begins with collaboration between Atomy and leading research institutes or specialized manufacturers who already have proven expertise in that field. This means that Atomy does not experiment on consumers. The technology and formulation are already validated before the product is launched. Another key feature is strict quality and safety control. So, did you know that from raw materials to finished products, Atomy apply global standards in manufacturing, testing, and of course, certification of each and every products available on our Atomy shopping mall worldwide. This is especially important for health, skincare, and daily use products where consistency and safety matters the most. Atomy is also able to offer competitive pricing because of its direct distribution system. By removing multiple layers of middlemen, Atomy reduces unnecessary cost while still investing heavily in product quality. So basically, instead of using extravagant advertisement, hiring some artists, Atomy is actually investing on the ingredients that will strengthen the quality of our products. Finally, these features result in products that are trusted and repurchased worldwide, which is the strongest proof of GSGS, global sourcing, global sales success. Now, I would like to show you some real examples of how Atomy applies the global sourcing and global sales strategy across different countries and product categories. So, the picture that I am showing you right now, these are just the examples of our Atomy GSGS products, okay? So, first, let us look at Japan. Japan is globally respected for its precision manufacturing, and they have a strict quality control and advanced nutritional science, especially in mineral supplements. So as you can see here, the first picture is the Atomy Japan's calcium products, Atomy Calcium, from Japan to ensure high absorption, safety, and consistency. This reflects Atomy's commitment to choosing quality and reliability over convenience or cost. And next is, I would like to show you the Atomy vitamin B complex from the United States. So the third picture that you see on your screen. The US is a leader in nutritional research, clinical formulation, and dietary supplement innovation. Atomy's vitamin B12 products benefit from American expertise in formulation standards and ingredient validation. So this ensures that the product meets global expectation for effectiveness, purity, and regulatory compliance. And lastly, the third example of our GSGS products is from Taiwan, which is well known for its strength in cosmetic technology and beauty product manufacturing, especially in hair care. So Atomy's Bubble Hair Color, which is also available from Atomy Global Mall and Atomy Korea, of course, especially, yes, is sourced from Taiwan, where advanced formulation technology focuses on ease of use, gentle ingredients, and consistent color results. This allows Atomy to offer salon quality hair coloring that is simple and safe for everyday consumers. Well, basically, I myself, I have lots of customers for the Atomy hair color. We have the Atomy bubble hair and also Atomy salon color, which is really, giving a magnificent color on our hair. And it doesn't fade so fast. So if I were you, if you are experiencing white hair or you simply would like to change the color of your hair, please do try our Atomy bubble hair or Atomy hair salon hair color. So these three examples show that Atomy does not source products randomly. Each product is sourced from the country that has the best expertise for that specific category and then sold globally at a reasonable price. This is the true meaning of GSGS, combining global excellence with, of course, consumer value. Atomy's strength comes from choosing the right country for the right product and delivering it worldwide with trust and consistency. Now let us look at the different products that Atomy is sourcing globally. So as I've said a while ago, at the beginning of our meeting, we have health product, skincare and cosmetic products, hair and body products, home care products, food products, and lifestyle. Yes, Atomy is also offering clothes like shirts, stockings, brasier, and underwears, and a lot more. If you look at the Atomy Korea website, you will be able to see the wide range of products available for you and for me. And yes, we have an official Atomy Education Center here in Belgium. If you wanted to try out or check out some of our products, you can book your appointment with us at www.atomybeautifulcenter.be, and I will be very, very happy to welcome all of you at our Atomy Education Center. So